summer in Little Italy, and now we're going to go. Oh dear! Now we're going to go over to World Trade Center. So we're still in Little Italy, and we're going to go in Christmas in New York. Wow! Got your gelato and Santa. Santa in April, eh? Oh my gosh. So how much are these? $14.99. You can have a New York taxi, New York apple. Oh, he's so cute. Oh look, they've got a statue of liberty.
What's that about?
Oh.
Is this a mermaid?
So it's all your Christmas essentials.
Oh, a nutcracker.
Oh, I do like those though. Lots of candy. So now back into Little Italy.
Yeah, I met a Scottish boy. Hung up a call.
I see the Empire State Building.
Oh yeah.
$16. That one you got in there. Bigger one was $16.
The bigger.
So now it's Chinatown. Oh, this is very busy, loud, lots of rude things on sale that we're not going to show you. Not my favourite part. So we're back at the World Trade Center. That's the shopping and the subway. It's a train station. What did you say, Glen? And then here is where we're going in. There's the World One. It's a better view of it here.
Move forward.
And we're going to go this way and look at the memorial and the museum. Yeah, let's go and look at that. The memorial and museum. Can't imagine. Can you really? What thoughts of the people? Oh, God bless. So this is one of the fountains. And all around it has got the names of the people that sadly lost their lives. How far that goes down, that will be in the structure of the actual tower. Leading up to the new tower. I'll just leave you with some of these names. So now we're going over to the other pool. I don't know that it's called a pool, the other monument. I don't know whether it was Tower A or Tower B, but there's the other one. So let's take you over. Relatives come along and prop flowers when it's their birthdays, when it's their loved ones' birthdays. These are from the Pentagon, the people that perished in the Pentagon. It really does blow your mind to think what happened here. So on the scale of things, over there is one tower, memorial, and then we turn around and there's the other. And this is the museum. Well, there were 7 buildings that went down on the attacks, and 7 buildings will be going back up. So we've just been into the 9/11 Memorial Museum and Memorial, and it was totally humbling and emotional. I didn't vlog any in there because out of respect I didn't want to. I mean, you can't do photographs and things anyway, so I didn't vlog. But we've come out of there feeling a bit emotionally drained really, so we're going to have some lunch. We've come into the eatery.
Yeah.
That's it's in Tower 4, and we're going to have some lunch. So it's basically the top floor is all Italian foods. We don't really know how it happens, but we've found a table and Glen's gone to look for what the food they serve. Archie wants pasta. So hopefully I'll be able to show you that soon. Well, that was pretty bang, I have to say. We had pizza, which was supposed to be a pepperoni pizza, and Archie's pasta was gross as well. Disgusting. So we've come to a different part now, and we're having a drink and some ice cream. Look at the face of this child. That is one unhappy bunny. They do not do proper pasta, and they do not do apple juice. What sort of a place is this? I shall leave you with that face. Yes. So now we're indoors at the Oculus.
That's the Apple Store, so big it doesn't need a name.
Let me show you.
Oculus.
You can get trains to different areas, and up there it's supposed to signify a wing. This is our next stop for a drink. We seem to have just been in one cafe after the next today. Ugg up there. It's a really nice backpack up there. I spotted some nice shoes in a store up there, but they're a bit too posh and expensive for us. There he is. So, there you go. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. I may be frazzled, I may have my hair up, I may have achy legs, but we are at Julia's. I'm so excited. Let me show you the menu. So here's the menu. So there's the appetizers, soup, salads. I'm going for the barbecue chicken salad. See the prices there. Lunch combos. Delicatessen sandwiches and the traditional sandwiches. And then you've got the Reubens. Sensational sandwiches. Chicken on a bun. Sounds really good. Famous barbecue. And then there's the chef's specials. Seafood entrees. Steaks. Let's turn the page. And then you go for your side orders.
And the kids menu.
The kids menu. What are you having, Archie?
I'm having that with a side of fries.
Yay! And then this is juniors through the years. You can have a little reel. Oh, and then the desserts. What we all come.
Our famous #1 cheesecake.
Yeah. Now then, it's a choice for me between the let me see. I'm going down. The carrot cake. The Junior's famous fresh strawberry shortcake, the golden fudge layer cake,
You probably have to have
coconut lemon layer cake.
probably have to have a cheesecake.
Oh wow! And then there's the ice creams, all your sundaes, mountain high sundaes, and your beverages. Junior's skyscraper ice cream sodas. Oh, pineapple, that sounds nice. And then your cocktails. And your wine selection and bottle beers. I'll show you the food when it comes. There he is. He's so super excited like me, aren't you? Let me give you a little view around. Onto Broadway. So I will tell you where it is when I've conferred with that one. So this is over to Glenny. Whereabouts are we?
We are on West 45th and 7th on the west side of Centre.
Excellent, thank you. So here it is. So there's Archie's, pasta and a side of fries. Here's my barbecue chicken salad with some ranch, and let me just show you now what the big man's got. He's gone for a light snack of turkey, mashed potatoes, 2 lots of sauces, cranberry sauce, and I think under there there's like what did I say?
Raspberry.
Oh, cranberry sauce, yeah. And I think under there there's like a bread stuffing, and there must be some vegetables under there, I think. Is this? He better keep room for his pudding though. I'll let you know what it was like. So I've gone for the golden fudge cake, and Glen's gone for the raspberry swirl cheesecake. Keeps turning it around. And Archie's still eating his burger. So we're back in the hotel after another really good and long day. Tiring and exhausting, but really good. Junior's top marks, quite expensive though. No, you chip in. You chip in, Glen.
It's not that expensive, but
it's not
you
that
get an awful lot.
Yeah, well, as you saw, Glen's was huge. But we did finish it. We all feel extremely full and quite hot. So we're going to leave it there. And don't forget, click like, click subscribe, and hit the notifications button for all my future vlogs. But for now, bye!